Hello guys, welcome to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and share. Welcome to this great video. I think this video is very great, and focus on this video, focus on the charts, and first test in the demo account. Demo account is very important. Yes, continue. This area is a return price. This area is return price. Buy order, buy area order. Yes. Order buy here. Yes. I want drop zone. I want drop zone, support zone. I want drop support zone. Yes, this area. Yes. This area is very good. This zone is support zone. Return price go by. Fast buy. Yes. Continue. Next candle. On the support zone, I wait return price go by. Wait return area for price. Yes, this area on the zone, on the support zone. I think price go by. Continue. Next candle. Continue. Look at the candle. Full candle, big candle, fast sell. Continue. Next candle, big candle. Continue. All candle is full and big. Next candle. Yes. This candle, green candle is fed line candle. This candle is a return price. This candle is fed line. Fed line is very important. Fed line on the zone is very important. I think return price go by. Continue. This area is stop loss. This area is a stop loss. End of the candle is a stop loss. Buffer, have a buffer, stop loss. After candles is stop loss. Yes. Next fed line, active strategy. This area, next fed line, active strategy. This area, focus on the chart, look at the chart. Active strategy just after fed line. Price after fed line. This area. Yes, this area after fed line, open position, open trade, get price, get buy position. Yes, continue. Yes, this candle, active strategy, I open position. I open position. Yes, continue. Active strategy and open position. And now continue. 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 This area go by next resistance. Next resistance, local resistance. Next local resistance is take a profit, is TP. This area, this zone is local resistance and near resistance. Yes, the next resistance is take a profit. Yes, this area is take a profit. Yes, continue. Show candle, continue. Big candle, full candle, green candle. Yes, continue. Yes, take a profit. Take a profit area. Fed line on the take a profit. Look at the Fed line. Yes, take a profit. This position very good. Very good. Carefully. Yes, big candle. Yes, another example. Fast buy. Yes. Look at the chart, fast buy. Yes, the area is buy order. Buy order area is this area. I want drop zone. Area is support zone because price go by. Yes, drop support zone. Yes, the best zone. On the support zone, wait return price. I wait Fed line. I wait buy Fed line. Yes, buy Fed line. And continue. Look at the chart. Please look at the chart. Continue. Big candle. Continue. Yes. Red candle, big candle, full candle. Yes. Continue. No. This candle is red. Yes, this candle active strategy. This candle is Fed line on the support zone. Yes, this candle. Look at the chart. Please look at the chart. Please look at the mouse. End of the candle is a stop loss. Stop loss have a buffer. Yes, stop loss have a buffer. Have a buffer. The best stop loss. End of the candle. After next Fed line active strategy. Active strategy have a buffer. Active strategy have a buffer. Yes, next Fed line. This area active strategy. This price have a strategy. Active strategy. Yes. This area open position and take a profit or TP next resistance. This area is good. Area This area is a take a profit. Local resistance. Yes, the next resistance is profit. This area is take a profit. Yes, this area is take a profit. Yes, continue. Please look at the mouse. Please look at the chart. Yes, take a profit is next resistance. Continue. Play candle. Next, yes, active strategy. Active strategy. This area, active strategy. Open position, open trade. Open trade. Continue. 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 Yes, big candle, full candle, green candle. Take a profit. Take a profit. Take a profit. Very, very good. Take a profit. Yes. Look at the chart. Look at the screen. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.